Hello students, welcome to my channel again. I am Shubha Chakraborty, Assistant Professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science in the Department of Computer Application and Science. Today our topic is types of network. Basically in computer network there are three types: LAN, MAN and WAN. Although we can hear many more types, but they are derived from these three types. The full form of LAN is Local Area Network. The name identifies this network is set up only in local area, that means in the small area. Local area network is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as building, office, etc. Generally, LAN is used for connecting two or more computers through a connection medium such as twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, etc. LAN generally covers the small area, generally it is few of kilometers. LAN can be established via different type of topology, basically bus topology and ring topology. The establishment cost of LAN will be very low because it uses the less cost devices like hub, adapter, Ethernet cable, etc. If we think about the speed, then LAN speed is very high. It can transmit faster rate of data. LAN can provide also high security. In this picture, we can see a LAN. Computers are connected with each other and creating a LAN. Now the MAN. The full form of MAN is Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network that covers a large geographical area by interconnecting a different LAN to form a larger network. If any organization have different LAN, they can connect their LAN in between them and can create MAN. The range of the MAN will be starts from 5 km to 50 km. It may be a small of group of business. It may be a small of group of building in a campus to as large as covering the whole city. The speed of data transmission in MAN are moderate, means it is slower than LAN but faster than WAN. In a MAN, various LAN are connected to each other through telephone line. The most widely used protocol in the MAN are RS-232, ADSL, etc. The main implementation of MAN are connect different city, airline, rail reservation, military connection, etc. In the picture, you can see the structure of MAN. Here you can see there are 4 LAN present in the picture and they are connected, so it is a MAN. Now WAN. The full form of WAN is Wide Area Network. A wide area network is a network that extends large geographical areas such as state or country. It is not limited in a single location, but it spans over large geographical area through the telephone line, fiber optic cable, satellite links, etc. The internet is the one of the biggest WAN in the world. A WAN is widely used in the field of business, government and education. The example of WAN is mobile broadband, internet, private network, etc. The network speed of WAN is lesser than LAN and MAN. In this picture you can see WAN. There are LAN, MAN which are connected with each other using global platform. That's why we identify globe in the middle. Except LAN, MAN and WAN, we have more network. Let's explain that network. The other type of network are PAN, CAN, SAN, EPN. First, PAN. The full form of PAN is Personal Area Network. A PAN connected with the exchange of information in the vacancy of a person. A PAN offered to make connections of multiple devices or other equipment under the single user's equipment within 10 meters to 30 feet. This type of connection can be done wired or wireless. PAN network enable with few computer device, telephone, video game controller, electronic device, laptop, printer, smartphone etc. PAN can be two types. One is wired PAN, another one is wireless PAN. Wireless PAN is also called WPAN. If we think about the establishment cost, PAN covers a very small area, that's why the establishment cost will be very low. Now CAN. The full form of CAN is Campus Area Network. CAN is also called Corporate Area Network. CAN network helps to link couple of local area network with small geographical space. CAN is larger than local area network but smaller than MAN and WAN. CAN has main objective is that offered to the best accessibility of the campus, residential regions such as school, college, university, small institute and corporate area. CAN can be created via wired or wireless medium. Now the SAN. The full form of SAN is Storage Area Network. SAN is a high-speed network for storage device that also connects those storage device with server. It provides block level storage that can be accessed by the application running on any network server. SAN storage device can include tape library, disk-based device, linked rapid hardware. Now EPN. The full form of EPN is Enterprise Private Network. And EPN is a computer network that helps enterprise companies with the number of office connected with each other. It generally connects enterprise building with another enterprise building with private communication line. Now the BBN. The full form of BBN is Backbone Network. The BBN is an important architectural elements for building enterprise network. It provides a path for exchange of information between different LAN and subnetwork. Generally, the backbone capacity is greater than network connected to it. We can derive many more networks from the basic three types of network. We have just discussed some important network in networking family. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. If you new in my channel, please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss the video from my channel. For more tutorial video, please stay tuned with us. I am Shubho signing off today. Goodbye.